Hinirang na Communicator of the Year ng International Association of Business Communicators Asia Pacific si GMA Network Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. Balitang hatid ni Darlene Cai.
Kinilala bilang Communicator of the Year sa Executive Leader category ng International Association of Business Communicators o IABC Asia Pacific si GMA Network Chairman of the Board Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. Si Attorney Gozon ang ikatlong Pilipinong nakakuha ng award na ibinibigay sa katangi-tanging leader sa industriya ng komunikasyon.
I would like to thank IABC Asia Pacific for this very great honor. Being named Communicator of the Year in the Executive Leader category by a very respected global community of communicators is deeply meaningful to me. This recognition holds even greater significance in a year of convergence. The 55th anniversary of the IABC, the 75th anniversary of our company, GMA Network, and receiving this prestigious award at my age of 85.
Ang IABC Asia Pacific ay isang organisasyon ng professional communicators mula sa iba't ibang industriya na layong tukuyin at ibahagi ang best communication practices sa buong mundo. Sa aming panayam, sinabi ni Attorney Gozon na may mga hamon na kinakaharap hindi lang ang industriya kung hindi ang buong bansa.
There are many challenges now facing the network and we are trying to address them. But today, the problem is really fake news. How to be truthful in news reporting.
Atty Gozon is an impressive individual. He's a leader that through his communication with his team, he inspired the people to recognise the importance of the Philippine culture. And it was, I think, this collaboration and this bringing these people together that made GMA what it is today. And for that we recognise the importance of his work and award him the Communicator of the Year.
Darlene Cai, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.